Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare IntelliJ versus PyCharm. IntelliJ IDEA is a robust integrated development environment primarily for Java and JVM languages, but it offers extensive language support through plugins. PyCharm, on the other hand, is specifically tailored for Python development, providing a highly optimized experience. Both are products from JetBrains, meaning they share a familiar user interface and many core functionalities, making the transition between them quite smooth for developers. When it comes to language support, IntelliJ IDEA is a versatile powerhouse, supporting more than 20 languages natively or through plugins, including Java, Kotlin, and even Python. PyCharm, however, excels in its dedicated Python environment, offering deep integration with popular web frameworks such as Django, Flask, and Pyramid. While IntelliJ can handle Python, PyCharm's specialized tools often provide a more streamlined and productive workflow for pure Python projects. Regarding performance and resource usage, IntelliJ IDEA, due to its extensive feature set and multi-language capabilities, might demand more system resources, particularly RAM. PyCharm, being more focused on Python, often feels lighter and can offer quicker startup times for dedicated Python projects. For optimal performance with either IDE, especially when working on larger projects, having at least 8 GB of RAM is highly recommended to ensure a smooth and responsive development experience. Both IntelliJ IDEA and PyCharm offer free community editions, which are excellent for open-source projects, educational purposes, and basic development. For professional and commercial work, the paid Ultimate editions unlock a wealth of advanced features, including database tools, web development support, and enterprise framework integration. An annual subscription for these Ultimate editions typically ranges from about $150 to $200, providing significant value for professional developers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.